In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the error code 0xA0000005 after update on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. In the elevated command prompt, simply type sfc space / scan now. SFC space / scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between. Then hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the next thing we can do is to go to the Windows search bar and type RSTRUI. You'll find that under the best match, click Run as Administrator on the right pane. The System Restore window will open, so simply click on Choose a different restore point, click on Next. Choose the date as to where you have not faced the error. Okay, you'll find the date and time from here. So choose the date and time as to where you are not facing the error, and then just simply click on Next and click on Finish and wait for the process to be done. And the last thing that we can do is to go to the start button, make a right click, and then select run. Type TEMP, click OK. Delete all the files in here. So Control A to select all. Click the delete icon at the top. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Again, right click at the start button, select run. Type percentage TEMP percentage and then click OK. Delete everything from here. Control A to select all the items. Click the delete icon. Click on continue. Check this box to this for all current items and click on skip. Close this. Then right click again at the start button, select run. Type prefetch. Click on OK. Control A to select all. Click the delete icon. And then open the recycle bin. Click empty recycle bin. Click yes. Click continue. Once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.